Hi, from Paul Simon, Entrepreneurial Grit. Just doing a quick video to demonstrate some of our products. I just thought I'd do it from this angle, and hopefully you can see some of the packaging that we've developed for StepRack, and we're moving this forward now with targets and figures to match. Looking for which designer packaging that suits, and we're having meetings, and the meetings are consisting of what I call the 3C's, realistically: coordinated, collaboration, cohesion. And this is what we're getting because we've all done the 10x program, etc., and we're all singing off the same song sheet and singing off the same page. So subsequently we're getting the same vision, the same mission. We're all adding our value to take the projects forward. And I believe in those 3C's, as I've been trying to get that for quite some time. But again, you don't quit, you keep going, you keep pursuing, and eventually you will find your 3C's, and the cohesion will happen. So I hope you understand the sentiment, understand the direction of where we're going with StepRack, where we're going with the packaging, and what style of packaging we're looking for. And getting to this stage takes a lot of time and effort, and hopefully this is what we want to try and do, and help you with your ideas and your vision and mission, and that will help you via entrepreneurial grit, that we can help you with our 3C's and bringing them onto you. So it's bye from now from Paul Simon, Entrepreneurial Grit. Speak to you again soon. Bye.